you ever wonder that why do we feel so connected with nature? I've read somewhere nature is not a place to visit, it is home. Someone rightly said, nature's first screen is gold. A human being is part of the whole, called by us universe, a part limited in time and space. He experiences himself, his thoughts and emotions and feelings in line with five elements. Go outside, somewhere where we can be quite alone with the heavens, nature, and God. Because only then does one feel that all is as it should be and that God wishes to see people happy. Amidst the simple beauty of nature. As long as this exists, and it certainly always will, I know that then there will always be comfort for every sorrow, whatever the circumstances may be. And I firmly believe that nature brings solace in all troubles. Have you ever felt that nature is calling you? Because it is calling you. The hills want you to hike in them. The forests want you among the trees. Breathe in the fresh forest air. Just visit the woods. So from past few months, I was feeling stuck. I wasn't okay. I wasn't doing okay. So finally I decided that I should go back to my home, go back to nature. I went to Corbett National Park with my family. And man, it really felt that nature was calling me and I'm finally home. I was feeling so peaceful, so serene. I can't even tell you about that. I can just show you, and I am. And if you're feeling stuck, if you are feeling questionable, if you're asking questions to life, I think you should must visit to nature. On the hills, either go to hills or go to forest, whatever you feel like. Take out some time for yourself. Take out a day, a two for yourself. Okay, that's it. Hope you like this video and I hope you want to see more of such videos because I'm coming with another videos just like that and to realize something and to make you realize something. That's it. Megha Baranwal signing off.